Hi, I'm Walid. I am the creator of the Hecata Chronicles, and I have been modding for Bloodlines since a bit of time. I will explain in this list of tutorials how to mod for this beloved game. Please refer to the Planet Vampire forum useful links for a complete list of the tools needed. Also, don't hesitate to ask any question in the Bloodlines modding part in the forum. We don't bite. Okay, let's go. First of all, for the install. The SDK is contained in the unofficial patch, so I recommend you to upgrade to the latest version. Me, I'm using the version 11.4. If you start from scratch and you wonder which version of the unofficial patch to deploy, just take the plus version. It contains a lot of fixes and a lot of examples. Also, I'm using for this tutorial a minimum that I've created, so you can find the files in the description. So, once everything is ready and everything is installed, let's create a new mod. First of all, open the Bloodlines SDK.exe in Vampire the Masquerade Bloodlines, Patch Extra, Developer Tools, Bloodlines SDK. A window will appear. It contains all the tools used for mod this game. Go at the bottom and double click on Create a new mod. A window will appear asking for a name. I will use tutorial. It will ask for a directory. I will also use tutorial. Then it asks if you want to copy the unofficial patch fix. If, for example, you want to start changing something in the unofficial patch or creating a mod based in Los Angeles, you should absolutely say yes. But in our case, we will say no. It will create a folder tutorial, extract the content of the zip file inside this folder. You should see this content. So, let me explain the content of the mod. A mod will override the base game if it finds any files in its folder. If there is no file, the base game will use the default one. The game contains a lot of folders. Here are the ones used by this tutorial. Don't hesitate to have a look in the base game or in the UP if you want to see what are the other possibilities. CFG contains the configuration of the game. DLG contains the dialog files. Maps contains the compiled maps. MapSRC contains the source of the maps used for this tutorial. Materials contains the texture. Python contains the script in Python used in the mod. Save. It's an auto-generated folder. It contains the save game of the mod. It is created after the first launch. Sound contains the sound, but also the files used for the lip synchronization and the expression in dialogue. VData contains the data used by the mod, the quest added, the experience. Now, it's time to test our mod. Launch the game with the game mod loader, loader.exe, that you will find in Vampire the Masquerade Bloodlines folder. You can create a shortcut. Second, select Tutorial. Then, the game will launch. Create a new game and a new character. In the first lobby map, save the game. It will be useful for later. You can navigate around. You will see that the tutorial map is full of problems. We will fix in the next part. A word on SP Genesis Device 1. This map is the first that the game launches. It launches the command creating a new character and redirect to the specified map. In our case, SP Lobby 1. You will start your chronicle by changing this to redirect to the map of your need in most of the case. For example, if you want to create new settings, you will change this. That's it for the setup. For the next part, we will continue with Hammer. For the like and so on, you do whatever you want. See you!